By definition, most foods on the keto diet are very nutrient-dense. But in addition to being highly nutritious, most keto-friendly foods are delicious and satiating, which makes it difficult for most people to overeat on the keto diet. This video will walk you through a low-carb, keto-friendly recipe that is quick and easy to make and is also very nutritious and delicious. A tally of the macronutrients, vitamins and minerals will be provided at the end, so please watch the entire video. Here's a list of the ingredients. Of course, you can modify it to suit your individual tastes. We'll begin by cooking the bacon and sausage in a medium frying pan over medium heat. Flip the bacon and sausage after a few minutes or until the bottom sides are cooked to your liking. Remove the pan from the stove when both sides of the bacon and sausage are cooked to your liking. Now, chop 1 cup of fresh spinach into 1/4 to 1/2 inch squares. Next, beat the eggs in a measuring cup or small mixing bowl. Thoroughly combine the chopped spinach with the eggs. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-low heat. Slowly pour the spinach and egg blend into the pan over medium-low heat. Carefully flip the omelet after about a minute or until the bottom side is cooked to your liking. You can check by occasionally lifting the edges. Fold the omelet in half and top it with thin strips of cheese after transferring it to a serving plate. Add the bacon and sausage to the serving plate and microwave for 30 seconds or until the cheese is melted to your liking. And last but not least, enjoy! As promised, here are the macros for this recipe. Fat comprises the vast majority of total calories at 75%, while carbs comprise the smallest portion at only 4%. Here's a more detailed look at the macros and micronutrients for each ingredient. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.